How to remove background noise in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut app, go ahead and import the video where you would like to remove the background noise from. And once the video is imported, go ahead and tap onto it. So first of all, in order to remove background noise in this video, we're gonna have to extract the audio from it. For that, swipe along until you find extract audio option. And once you find the option, go ahead and tap onto it. And as you can see that the audio from this video has been extracted. Now go ahead and tap on the extracted audio and then swipe along until you find reduce noise. Go ahead and tap onto it and toggle on this button. And once the noise has been reduced, go ahead and tap on the stick mark. And just like so, you have successfully removed background noise in CapCut. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.